My name is Ruti Olio and welcome to the Fashion Institute of South Florida. Many of you guys have been requesting me a tutorial on how to attach invisible zippers. So today I'm going to show you step by step how to attach invisible zippers. Let's see. Before we're going to attach an invisible zipper, let's make sure that we learn the zipper and understand some vocabulary. For example, this is an invisible zipper because different than a regular zipper, it have a clear finish on the top. You just don't see the tip or anything, you just see a line on the top. Okay, so this is the right side of the invisible zipper. Then those are the tape of the zipper, the right and the left side of the zipper. This is the tab of the zipper that's always going to be on the right side. This is where you pull to zip down and zip up. Another thing that you want to know about the zipper is the zipper stop. In the top is going to have this small plastic stop right here, and at the bottom is going to have the plastic both together because this is the closed end of the zipper. And this is again the right side. The right side of the zipper going always to have the tab showing, as you guys see right here. Now that we are familiar with an invisible zipper, let's get some tips before we start applying this zipper. Tip number 1, make sure that you get an invisible zipper that is longer than the zipper opening on any area that you're going to apply. For example, we're going to apply this zipper on the center back of the skirt, and you can tell that the zipper is longer than the opening. For the beginners, I would say at least 2 inches longer. That's a good amount of room for you guys to apply the invisible zipper. Again, make sure that to get the zipper longer than the zipper opening. Tip number 2, make sure to press open the tip of the zipper. So when the iron semi-hot or warm, you want to make sure that you press the tip of the zipper flat open. It makes your job a lot easier. You see the difference on this side that is rolled, and the difference on this side I press that is flat. Let me make it closer so maybe you guys can see the difference. So let me press the other side. Now they're both flat. That's going to be a lot easier for me to attach the zipper. Tip number 3, make sure to get a special foot to attach invisible zipper. We have 2 kinds. Most machines will bring this one that you can use right and left. I personally like this one because it's adjustable, and I'm going to show you in a few minutes what I mean. Here we can adjust the foot by moving or loosening the screw in the back, and then you can move it, all of the way to the left and all of the way to the right. So you want to make sure that you place it, that the needle goes down and is at least 1/8 away from the edge of the zipper foot right here. So you can have the stitch very close to the foot of the zipper. Tip number 4, make sure that you mark the center of the waistband so you can know where you're going to start the zipper. So I fold the waistband on half, and I'm going to mark here with a chalk, or maybe you can do a notch right here so that indicates the center of the waistband. Next, you want to place the zipper right side of the zipper with right side of the skirt or any garment that you're making. You're going to locate the zipper stop right here, and you're going to place the edge of the tape with the edge of the opening, and the zipper stop is going to be aligned with the notch or mark that you place in the mid of the waistband. Now we are ready to attach the zipper. Put my zipper foot down. I'm going to start by the zipper stop right here, and I'm going to start sewing. You see, that's the reason that we press the teeth earlier, so it's flat and easier for us to sew as close as possible at the zipper teeth. When you are getting to the end of the zipper opening, you want to keep sewing for at least half an inch more. And you back stitch to secure the stitch. Now, I'm going to give you guys a very important tip. When you're placing an invisible zipper on an opening that have a cross seam, as in this case have the opening right here for the waistband, you want to make sure that the other side of the zipper is aligned with this side, because you don't want the seams to become uneven. So in order to make sure that when you place this side of the zipper and this side of the opening, both of the seams are aligned, we're going to, before we attach it, you guys going to close the zipper and going to make a little snip right here, or maybe mark it with a chalk if you don't want to cut, you know, the tape of the zipper right here. So when you attaching the other side of the zipper, the snip that you did right here is going to be your guide to align it with the seam. Now we're going to attach the second part of the second side of the zipper, and we're going to start from the bottom to the top, about half an inch from the zipper opening. So you're going to start this back stitch, and then you're going to start sewing closer to the teeth as possible. And you want to make sure that the mark that we have right here is aligned with the crossing that we have. Okay, so let's see. Let's close the zipper by pushing the tab to the left side of the zipper. This part is a little hard, especially when the zipper is only 2 inches longer than the zipper opening. So you want to be very gentle right here. Woohoo, we got it. Okay, so now you can flip it. Oh my God, look at this zipper. And my seams, my cross seams, I'm pretty aligned right here, right? And it's called invisible zipper, so you're not supposed to see the zipper. All you're going to see is a line right here. Then pushing the fabric so you can see the black line right here. So this is an invisible zipper. You can barely see the zipper. The only thing that you see is the top of the zipper to help you to pull down and up. Last, we're going to clean the waistband because it had to be fold down, so we're going to show you how to clean it. Let's put the zipper down for a little bit. You want to fold on a diagonal the extra seam allowance, I will say, from the zipper opening, and you want to fold the waistband down this way. And then with the same zipper, you want to do a stitch all the way to the edge of the waistband, See, I had the zipper seam allowance coming out this way because I placed it on an angle. So when I flip the skirt on the right side, see, the waistband is clean on the inside and it's secure folded on the outside. And I'm going to do the same for this side. I'm going to fold on an angle the seam allowance, then I'm going to fold the waistband and I'm going to stitch down using the zipper foot all of the way down, like about 1/8 or 3/16 from the first stitch line of the zipper. So let's clean all of the thread. You flip it this way. You have your waistband folded on half, and to finish it, you're just going to be stitching your waistband down. Okay guys, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video that we made with so much love to help you guys to improve your sewing skill. If you did, make sure that you follow your YouTube channel, the Fashion Institute of South Florida, and also follow us in social media so you can see all of the sewing tips that we post every week.